Hello students, very good morning to you all. Hope you all are good. So let's start the today's topic. Today we are going to continue with the exercises of lesson 1, that is types of plants. Today we are going to discuss match the following. Alright students, so let's quickly start our topic. First of all, you will write your date on the right side of your copy. There must be column for writing the date. वहाँ पे आपको कॉलम बना होगा डेट लिखने के लिए. So write the date there. Today is 30th April 2020. Students, you will start new exercise from new page. नई exercise आप नए पेज से start करेंगे. Alright. On the next line, write CW. Means class work. Write it and underline it. On the next line, you will write your lesson number. This is lesson number 1. Types of plants. This is the name of your lesson. Write it and underline it. Student, please do very neat and clean work. On the next line, you will write the name of your exercise. Today we are going to do match the column. So we will write match the column or match the following. Alright students, underline it. Now we will move to our exercise. For doing match the column, one thing which is important, that you will divide your page into two equal halves. Suppose this is the page of a copy. Suppose ये आपके copy का एक page है. Then you will divide this page into two equal halves. आप इसको दो भाग में divide कर लेंगे. So for doing this, we will draw a line. We will draw a line in between. Alright. On left side, we will write column A. Column A. On the right side, we will write column B. Underline it. Student, one thing which is important here, you need not to draw any line or do numbering while doing the match the following. आपको कोई लाइन ड्रॉ करने की या कोई नंबरिंग करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज आई एम राइटिंग द आंसर्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. जो क्वेश्चन है उसका आंसर उसके सामने लिख रही हूँ, जो उसका राइट मैच है. सो यू विल लर्न द क्वेश्चन अलॉन्ग विद द आंसर रिटन इन फ्रंट ऑफ इट. ऑलराइट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल write number 1. First one is flower. Flower means fool. What is the purpose of the flower? It produces fruits. Produces fruit. You all must have seen the flower. When flower matures, it converts into fruit. जब फ्लावर जो मैच्योर हो जाता है तो वो फ्रूट में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स मूव टू द सेकेंड वन. सेकेंड वन इज लीफ. लीफ मीन्स पत्ती. पत्ती, व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ लीफ? Yes, it prepares food for the plant. As we all cook food in our kitchen, जैसे कि हम लोग किचन में खाना बनाते हैं, in the same way leaves prepare food for the plants. leaves क्या करते हैं? प्लांट्स के लिए फूड को प्रिपेयर करता है, उनके लिए खाना बनाता है. So it will be matched with leaf makes food. Alright students, so let's move to the third one. Fruit. You all must have eaten fruit. आप सबने फ्रूट तो खाए होंगे. What do you find inside it? इसके अंदर क्या होता है? यस राइट, इट हैज़ सीड इनसाइड इट, इसके अंदर सीड होते हैं. सो वी फाइंड सीड इनसाइड द फ्रूट. दिस question I have already discussed with you, and yesterday also in question answer we talked about it, that fruit is a part of the plant which carries which carries seed inside it. All right, so fruit has seed inside. Seed means बीज. All right. Number 4, seeds. As you all know, seeds means बीज. So what is the purpose of seed? Suppose you have a seed. आपके पास एक seed है and you put it into a soil. Then what will happen? If you water it regularly, if you put it in sunlight and in a proper air, so एक दिन क्या होगा? It will grow into a new plant. अगर उसको proper water, proper sunlight, proper nutritions उस seed को मिलेगा तो one day it will grow into a new plant. एक दिन वो नए plant में convert हो जाएगा, उसमें से एक नया plant निकलेगा. All right. So seed grows into a new plant. You all must have seen this in your house. आपने अपने घर में भी देखा ही होगा. आप किसी गमले में या ज़मीन में सीड को लगाते हैं, उसे प्रॉपर वाटर रेगुलरली देते हैं, प्रॉपर सनलाइट मिलती है, प्रॉपर एयर उसको मिलती है, देन इट ग्रोज इनटू अ न्यू प्लांट. ऑल राइट. सो seeds grow into a new plant. Alright students, one thing I want to make clear here, if you are writing and your line gets over, as you can see here, this line is over, so I have written the next word here, not on this line. So if your line gets over, you will not write on the left corner, you will write under this column only on the next line. So no need to write it from here, you will write from here only. Alright students, and the next question which you will write will be from the next line. From here you will leave this line. आप इस लाइन में नहीं लिखेंगे, आप उसके अगले लाइन में लिखेंगे, so that your question and answer remains in front of each other. जो question है उसका आंसर उसके सामने रहे. Alright students, so number 5 is root. What is the purpose of root? Root का क्या काम होता है? You all must be knowing that, as I have discussed with you multiple times. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Root absorb water and minerals. The purpose of the root is to absorb water and minerals from the soil. जो root होता है, जो जड़ होती है, which is inside the ground, soil के अंदर, ground के अंदर होती है, it absorbs water and nutrition, water और nutrition soil से लेता है and gives to the plant, और plants को देता है, as a result of which plants grows, और plants बढ़ते हैं as a result. So purpose of the root is to absorb water and minerals. वो absorb करके plants को देता है. Alright students, so see here also I have written the next word in the next line in this column, not from here. Alright, so you also write the next word under this, not from here, if your line gets over. Alright students, so these are the 5 questions that you are going to write under the match the following. So now write down your homework. Students, as you all know that you all are having your online class test on Friday, so be prepared for that. Alright, for the science subject you will learn lesson 1 for your class test. Class test will be for all the subjects. Alright, so learn lesson 1. You have to learn lesson 1 for your class test. Alright students, and on that day, that is on Friday, be prepared for the test. Alright, so write your name, class, subject, date, everything in your test copy or page, whatever you can manage, जो भी आपके पास हो उसमें आप अपना नेम, क्लास, सेक्शन, डेट, सब्जेक्ट पहले से लिख के रखिएगा. ऑलराइट, सो दैट यू कैन स्टार्ट योर टेस्ट ऑन टाइम, सो जिससे कि आप अपना टेस्ट समय से स्टार्ट कर सकें. ऑलराइट, एंड आफ्टर राइटिंग इट, get it checked by your parents or any elder so that there will not be any confusion. Alright, so be prepared for your test. Learn lesson 1 in your science. Alright students, so all the best, do well, see you in the next video. Thank you so much.